Welcome to All Pro Overhead Garage Doors in West Sacramento. We are your trusted professionals for Clopay Garage Door installations, dedicated to enhancing your home's security, functionality, and curb appeal with expert service. Our skilled team offers a wide selection of Clopay Garage Doors, ensuring you find the ideal style and features to complement your home. Using premium materials and advanced installation techniques, we provide a seamless installation that elevates both the look and durability of your garage. Homeowners in West Sacramento choose All Pro Overhead Garage Doors for our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. With extensive experience and a customer-first approach, we strive to deliver outstanding service every time. Ready to transform your home with a stylish Clopay Garage Door? Contact All Pro Overhead Garage Doors today to learn more about our installation services. Call us at 916-628-3639 or email allprozacdoors@gmail.com. All Pro Overhead Garage Doors, your top choice for Clopay Garage Doors in West Sacramento.